everyone, so it's that time of year again. It's Christmas hair. So Lily is my beautiful model today and we're going to be showing you a snowman style. So a little bit of wax spray just to tame the hair, and we're going to go for a really high ponytail. So the easiest way to do this is split the hair in two. Let me show you. So I'm just going to come straight up with my comb there and then straight round to the other ear. So we want this bun to sit really, really high up on the head. I don't want the snowman to kind of sit this way. I want him up here. So we need this ponytail to be really high up, like more high up than you'd do for like a regular bun. And then once you're happy with where that's sitting, you're just going to take a hair tie and place that in. You want this to be quite a tight ponytail because this has got to hold our snowman in. Then you're going to gather the rest of the hair, again, a bit more wax spray. And we're going to start brushing this up. So I'm going to split this ponytail now, and I kind of want this hair all the way around. We're going to take a small donut or bun maker and place that down like that. Then gather up this hair all the way around. Now it hasn't got to be perfect because we are going to be using a sock today. So don't worry too much about it all being perfect. Then I'm going to tie really carefully a little hair elastic round there. So that's going to be our snowman body. So before you go any further, you're going to squidge that down. And then I'm going to take a hair grip and just hold that into place. Like so. Just push that in. So then I'm going to take a little baby donut. So again, don't worry that this is like perfect or not because it's all going to get covered up. But you're just going to roll him up. And again, you're just going to secure this down using some hair grips. So next I've got a trainer sock, okay? So it can be an old one, a new one, it really doesn't matter. You're going to take hold of this sock, pop it on the top like that. So this is what we made earlier. We just got some little pipe cleaners and made a carrot shape with a little kind of stick coming out the end. And then I'm going to come to the front of this bun and just really carefully make a tiny little hole. And then we're just going to push that into the hole like so. Next we've got two little pipe cleaners. Hold those up.
Are these the arms?
Yeah, well done, Lily. And then these two as well. And then we're just going to join these together. Like so. Hold that one for me, Lil. And then do the same here. And we're going to tie these around here. Don't worry, we're going to cover this bit up in a minute. So if you just twist these around, and then as you get near to the ends, I'm not going to twist all the way because I want them to kind of look like little sticks. So I'm just going to kind of do that with them. And then you can make them a little bit crooked as well, just to kind of give that stick effect. So next we've got a scarf. Lily liked the scarf, didn't you, Lily? Yeah, so we're going to go around and we're going to cover up our little arms so you can't see that that's where we joined them. So of course the snowman has to keep warm. So we've got our little scarf going on there. So we've got a little bit of a marker pen here for his eyes, which will be the coal bits. And then last but not least, I'm just going to make a really small little cut at the top because I've actually got a little hat that we're going to put on. So it's just on a little clip. And I'm just going to kind of slide that along for his little hat. So that is our little Christmas snowman done. Let me and Lily know in the comments what you guys think.